Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize backpack wallet for dApps on Solana, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize your backpack wallet for decentralized applications on Solana, start by opening your backpack wallet application. Ensure you have the latest version of the backpack wallet installed on your device. Next, locate the Connect Wallet button on the main screen of the application. Tap on the Connect Wallet button to proceed. You will see a list of supported dApps available on the Solana network. Select the dApp you wish to authorize. After selecting the dApp, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm wallet connection. Review the permissions the dApp is requesting. If you agree with the permissions, click the Authorize button. Once authorized, you will receive a confirmation message indicating your wallet is now connected. You can now explore the features of the selected dApp using your backpack wallet. To disconnect from the dApp at any time, navigate back to the Wallet section of the app. Find the list of connected dApps in your wallet settings. Select the dApp you want to disconnect from. Confirm your action by tapping the Disconnect button. Your backpack wallet is now ready for secure interactions with various dApps on the Solana network. Be sure to keep your wallet credentials safe for future access. Enjoy your experience with dApps on Solana using your backpack wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.